Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account on Bigo Live. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Bigo Live application. There are many ways to create an account on Bigo. If you would like to sign in with your phone number, then tap on Sign in with Phone option. Here, enter your phone number and tap on Next button. After that, you'll get a code and then you can proceed to sign in. Similarly, you can also use your Facebook or Google or Twitter or Apple accounts in order to sign in. In this video, I'm gonna sign in with my Google account. So tap on Sign in with Google option. Here you can select your gender and your age, or you can also skip it. And that is how you can create an account on Bigo Live application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.